Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The SsangYong Rexton is an SUV designed for drivers who want strength, comfort, and capability wrapped into one powerful and sophisticated package. And in this video, we're taking a closer look at what makes it one of the most underrated full-sized SUVs on the market. From the moment you see it, the Rexton stands out with its bold and confident stance. Its large chrome grille, sharp LED headlights, muscular wheel arches, and solid body lines give it the presence of a premium off-road machine. Built on a strong body-on-frame platform, the Rexton immediately communicates toughness and durability, making it ready for towing, hauling, and long-distance adventures. The aerodynamic design and polished exterior details add a sense of modern refinement that appeals to families and professionals alike. When you're behind the wheel, the Rexton feels composed and steady. The elevated driving position provides excellent visibility, giving drivers a commanding view of the road ahead. Steering is precise and responsive, making the large SUV surprisingly easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Sound insulation has been significantly improved in recent models, creating a calm and quiet cabin that keeps road noise and engine vibrations to a minimum. Whether you're cruising on the highway, navigating traffic, or exploring dirt trails, the Rexton maintains impressive stability and control. It's a vehicle designed to make every trip feel secure and enjoyable, no matter the conditions. Inside, the Rexton delivers a surprisingly luxurious experience that rivals more expensive SUVs. The cabin is wide, quiet, and thoughtfully laid out, with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and comfortable seats designed for long journeys. Depending on the configuration, the Rexton offers seating for 5 or 7 passengers, making it an excellent choice for large families or those who need extra space. The dashboard features a large touchscreen with navigation, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, and multiple USB ports, providing modern convenience at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, and well-placed controls create a refined environment that balances practicality with elegance. Passengers in all rows benefit from generous legroom, adjustable seating positions, and independent climate control options, ensuring comfort on both short drives and long trips. Under the hood, the SsangYong Rexton is powered by a strong and fuel-efficient turbo diesel engine designed for reliability and consistent performance. Known for its durability, the engine delivers impressive low-end torque, making it ideal for towing trailers, pulling heavy loads, or conquering steep terrain. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the Rexton offers a confident and stable driving experience, whether you're on the highway or deep in off-road conditions. Its advanced 4x4 system allows drivers to switch between driving modes to suit different environments, while features like low-range gearing, hill descent control, and hill start assist give the vehicle an edge when the terrain becomes challenging. The suspension system is tuned to absorb bumps and rough surfaces without compromising comfort, offering a refined ride that's perfect for both city streets and rugged landscapes. Safety is a major priority in the SsangYong Rexton, and it comes equipped with a full suite of modern safety features. These include multiple airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. The reinforced high-strength steel structure adds an extra layer of protection, making the Rexton a dependable choice for families and long-distance travelers.